Good evening, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my kitchen table here in Garner, North Carolina. I want to say thank you so much for deciding to take a look at my video. I really do appreciate that. If you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so after the video is over. Make sure you hit the little bell sign so every single time I make a video, you'll be notified. Okay, I got some real good stuff coming up, so you might want to do that. And so it's a really good day today because it's Father's Day. And as you know, I have two children. I have a 23-year-old and I have a 5-month-old. And it's a great thing. I don't get as much sleep as I used to because, she, she, she's up a lot, but that's fine. I feel good. I can still drop and do 50 push-ups, barely, but I can still do it. But it's all good. But anyway, I wanted to quickly talk to you about a business called the what? Real Supermarket Magic Business. The date June 16th. What it is, I got an email from the owner of the company telling me, "Hey, Brian, a you got a gift card coming," and it was kind of neat because a few days prior to that, I received a phone call from a guy in Greensboro, North Carolina, and he was actually he left me a voicemail, so I called him back, and he had some lots of questions actually about the program. So I answered all of his questions, and he was the guy had been in the networking business for like 30 years, so he very very experienced. He knew what he was doing and so forth, and so he really liked this program, and one of the reasons is because of the great marketing materials that we have here, like this postcard, this drop card. He was telling me that when something is easy to market, then people would want to join because no one wants to join a program if they've got to like twist people's arms and things like that. But with this program here, which is so good, which I really love, is you can take a postcard just like this and you can drop it in the mail. As you can see, it's got a really great headline. Got some information here. There's a toll-free number a person could call and get information 24/7. That website right there is really really good, guys. They revamped the whole thing. Okay, so they have a really cool video now that explains the program from like A to Z. Really really good. I really like that. All right, and so you can drop some postcards in the mail, and this is how you get sales. Also, this is what you call a what? Drop card. Okay, what you do is you fold this right here. Okay, it looks like a $50 bill, like on the ground. And I normally go to Walmart, and I have like 5 or 10 of these in my pocket, and I just kind of just walk down the aisle and kind of just drop them here and there, and it works. It really does. So when the person opens it up, they're like, "Oh, I got $50," and actually, it's not that. They get this right here. Okay, which is really cool. And this is a drop card. It's got really good information because it's got a really good headline. It's not over. It's not like too much stuff on there. Good headline. Earn $400 over and over again. Boom. It's got the toll-free number to call for information. It's got the website, of course, and it's got, if you want to call the office, you can call the office and talk to the owner. He can give you more information and actually sign you up. Not only that, but the website is such that you can actually sign up online. Before they didn't have that. The only way you could sign up before was if you had to call the office or you had to send money in, through the mail. But now they have a secure server, and it's a really good system. And so, really, all you're having to do is when you mail your postcards out, people see that website and they go to their website, and they have your ID number. In this case here, my ID number is 1086-76. That's it. So when you go to the website and you want to join, make sure you put that ID in 1086-76. That's all you got to do. And then once you do that, you're in the system. Within a few days, you're going to be receiving a package. Normally comes like second day priority mail, and you'll get a package in the mail, and it'll have all the information to start your business. And so, once you do that, you're in there. It's a one time only, $297. Okay, that's it. That's it. No monthly fees, no nothing like that at all. a really good. I think no, I'm sorry. It's 295. I think it's 295. 295, 297. One of those. I can't remember. Sorry, but that's it. And then when you do that, and for every sale you make, you're gonna get one of these cards right here. These are $50 gift cards. Okay, and then also it says here earn $400 over and over. How do you do that? Well, you're once you enter the program, you're going to be put into a 2x2 matrix. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to personally sign up two people, and those two people sign up two people, and you have a total of six people in your organization. Once you have met that criteria, then you are sent a check for $400. Now, that does not mean you have to personally sponsor six people. All you have to do is sponsor two people, and those two get two, and that's how that works. And so you're gonna be getting those checks, $400 checks, over and over and over again. They come fairly quickly. So this is a perfect business. It really is, because it appeals to pretty much everybody. And I tell people at all the time, when you start saying the word Walmart and gift cards, it really resonates really fast with people, because most people I know go to Walmart. They shop at Walmart. Now, for those folks who don't shop at Walmart, that's still fine. Get these gift cards, okay? Get these gift cards, and then you just go there. You can take this gift card, this $50 gift card, and buy a $50 Visa card. So you can take that $50 Visa card anywhere you want to go and spend it. So you don't necessarily have to spend your gift card on Walmart products and so forth. You can take it anywhere as long as you get another Visa gift card. So that's a good thing about this program, because everyone doesn't shop at Walmart, and that's fine. But I mean, me personally, I do. I do. I love Walmart. But that's how that works. And so this guy, yeah, Bill Johnson, he's out of Greensboro, and actually got a call from his business partner, and we got a really great conversation. Really smart guy, and he's been in business for for like 30 years, and he really saw the vision of this program, and he decided to join. Actually, he's going to join under Billy Johnson. That's what it is. He told me that, which is a good thing. So, I'm pretty excited about this thing, because it's working for average folks. We're kind of coming out of this pandemic and so forth, but at the same time, people are still looking for ways to make money on the side. And this is I believe it's the perfect business to do that. The main reason is because this is very easy to do. All you're having to do is take these drop cards, drop them everywhere you go. They're really cheap. Or you can take these postcards, put a 35-cent stamp on it, drop it in the mail. They'll get, once you in your package, you'll receive 100 of these postcards, as well as 100 leads. So I'm sorry, I had mind freeze there. 100 leads, so you can start your business right away. Okay. If you need more leads, you can contact me. I've got a really good source for that. Actually, a couple of really good sources for that, so that's never a problem. You getting qualified leads for your business. So that's pretty much it, guys. I've made videos like this before, and the reason why I do that is because it's working. If it wasn't working, I couldn't make these videos. And these are different people. I make videos and they have different people's names here. So that tells you that I'm actually signing up people. And the way you do it is what? These postcards, right? You put these postcards in the mail. You drop in the mail. That's all you have to do. Take these drop cards, just drop them everywhere. And when people go, first of all, what most people will do, I find, is they'll call that toll-free number, because they can call a toll-free number 24/7. All you gotta do is listen. That's gonna get them really, really curious. Okay. Then what they'll do is they'll go to the website, and on the website they'll have a little video, like I said, which explains the program from A to Z. And then in their mind they'll say, you know what? This is good, because I don't have to talk to my friends and family. All I have to do is just direct a person to this website along with my ID code there, and then they sign up, and then I get paid. So that's the whole thing. If a person in their mind feels as though it's something that's easy and they can do it, then they sign up. Okay. And listen here, guys, to make things even easier and better for you. Okay. I have my own personal YouTube channel. Okay. It's not like gigantic, but I get a lot of hits, and it's been very successful. If you decide to sign up under me, what I will do for you, I will make a personalized video specifically for you and you only, promoting your business. It's going to have your own personal ID number here. And that's how I do things. So people who are on my team and my businesses, when I personally sign you up, I always make sure that I do videos for you. Some people don't want it for whatever reason. Most people do. And I don't have a problem, with that all, because if I help you, then I help myself. So that's never a problem. For this video here, if you want to sign up for the program, okay, you can go to the website, call, however you want to do it. Make sure this is my ID number. My user ID number is 1086-76. Make sure that you put that ID in. My name is Brian Kelly. Brian Kelly is Kelley. If you decide to call it in, make sure you tell them my ID number and my name, and you can get started. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call on my cell phone. It's 919-999-8154. But don't call me like at 12 o'clock at night or 10 o'clock in the evening on Eastern time, because I try to go to bed to get some sleep. So please don't do that. You can call me up until 9 Eastern time, and then I can talk to you about if you have questions, okay? So that's pretty simple. But again, this is a $50 gift card right here. I'm going to go. Actually, you know what? I was cutting grass a few days ago, and my lawnmower was fine, but my edger, man, a little piece of steel on the tip of it broke off. And the edger's old, so I think I'm gonna have to go and buy another edger. So, you know what? I don't have to go in my pocket. Well, I will, but I think I have, I might not, because I have another gift card here. So I have another 2 or 3 gift cards in my room. So I will get another edger, and I won't have to take any money out of my pocket. I can pay for this edger with these gift cards from Walmart. That's the beauty of it, guys. That is the beauty of it. So I'll make another video. When I go to Walmart, I'll show you how I do this, how I buy stuff, at Walmart with these gift cards, and you can do the same thing. Again, if you join under me, I will do a video specifically for you to help you promote this business. I'm very good at what I do. I know marketing really, really well, and I can definitely help you out. But I can't help you out unless you actually sign up and join. Okay, so that's the main thing. So anyway, I'm getting ready to go. Hope you guys continue to have a good Father's Day. And if you have questions, give me a call and we can talk. In the meantime, please go to that website right there, realsupermarketmagic.com. Make sure that you, when you sign up, use that 1086-76 ID code. And once you do that and you sign up, you're in business, give me a call. I'll do the video for you. We can get you going, make you some money, make you some gift cards. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. All right. Talk to y'all later. Have a good day. Bye.